Anton and Mavis, are you enjoying yourselves? I'm on a lockdown walk with the two naughtiest dogs in Australia. Anyway, when I get back, I'll show you a couple of mods I've done on the Challenger in this enforced period of inactivity. And I'm glad I got them both done, but yeah, I'll run over them in a minute. Okay, see you. Hi guys, Neil here. Just back with a short video on the mods I've done to the Challenger while we've been stuck in lockdown. The first one was a 2-inch lift from Fulcrum Suspensions, and this actually went seamlessly. They had a deal running which was 15% off their kits and a flat fitting fee. So I asked for a recommendation on what kit to buy, and they suggested a mid-range kit, which I then bought online. I then chose a location to get it fitted, and that was Mainline in Smithfield. The communication from Fulcrum and Mainline was excellent, and I dropped the car off one morning and picked it up late afternoon. Too easy. The upper control arms weren't required because there was enough adjustment to do the wheel alignment, but one side is at its limit, so before the next wheel alignment I'll have to get the upper control arms replaced. But the suspension is working well, and I'm happy with the ride and improved clearance. Issue was the winch. If you look at my first Belangolo video, you'll see what a production it was to get my winch working, using the front hitch and a winch cradle. Here's a snippet of that video. Locked in. So that's the clutch is not engaged, and then it free spool. I don't know how far it will go. It's supposed to leave 5 turns, I think, on the drum. Yeah, Murphy's Law, what's to stop it? That's right. You can go for a block, of course, and it goes twice as slow but doubles your thing anyway. Positive first, they reckon, don't they? Still recording, is it? Yeah. I wonder what it was doing. Okay. Okay, so if you can hold that, as well as the camera. What else do you want, says Phil? Okay. We've got hang on. The only reason I went down that path was because the previous owner had obviously set the Challenger up for towing and had fitted the front tow hitch. Anyway, I decided to sort the whole problem out, and I tried to get a second-hand winch compatible bull bar off a PB Challenger, but I didn't have any luck. Then I saw a second-hand MN Triton bull bar, which was in great condition and was an ARB, which is my personal favourite. And my hope was that because the Challenger and Triton are based on the same chassis, and this was a similar vintage to my 2013 Challenger, that the Triton bar would fit. I got the bar from Central Coast 4x4 Wreckers, and they negotiated on the price and freighted it to my mechanic in Blacktown from their premises in Wyong for a reasonable price of $75. It's on a pallet and it's heavy as, so I thought that was a fair price. So my original Mitsubishi bar was taken off, but the Triton bar didn't fit. So then I decided to order a new Challenger bull bar from ARB. It was winch compatible and it was in stock, and it shipped from the ARB warehouse to ARB Narellan, and then ARB Narellan shipped it onto Blacktown to my mechanic for no charge. So it was a bit of a drama, but I now have the winch up front permanently, and I have the suspension upgrade, which is designed to handle the extra weight. So now I'm ready. As soon as Gladys gives the restrictions a flick, I can try out the mods. The camper trailer's ready too, so we're just waiting for the lockdown to finish, and then we'll be back out on the tracks. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time.